Paul's in Michael Kane. Then the hauling and Mimi Clark up to the corner. Dahampa Pucka.
That's a great take by Mimi. She's known for her three-point shooting, so you can see St. Paul's rushing out and her recognising the space behind and taking her own basket there. Great spin move.
Nahari Buaicphointí. Killester-83. Shot chance, Sam Highway.
St. Paul's are struggling with the defence now. Killester getting a lot of deflections and touches.
This far Tom shot. That's the carrot third free. Which 2
points, yeah. That's what I was talking about. They need to get her more looks. Great transition, recognition herself. You saw Ceannais sprint that court, forcing the defence to take a step back, and all she needs is a step to get those shots off.
Conor scoring a top the nation country, Justin Slother. That's a shot.
That's a great fast break.
Yeah.
Again, recognition. You have to give credit to Ceannais.
Mimi Clark, Killester, captain of Ceannais, the highway.
There it is. She makes the hard ones.
Could you question the shot? Did you double stop? August. Was er zoals gaat de hart de nummer de noos.
And a timeout.
Captain shot going on the better. St. Paul's remember shot. Cavanagh Scanlon. No.
She got her own rebound.
Yeah.
There you go. Don't give up.
Yeah.
Still the buzzer.
So shot went to Sraith.
You can't do that. She's too good.
Can you hear the foot?
Oh, great defence again.
Yeah. High be reached.
Oh, great pass by Ceannais Turner. And that's, she hit a few shots, and now so conscious of the three-point line. It's drawn them out, and she recognises the back door. And
Norira. Haharagul Shantawa Hakas.
She's done a great job since she came on for a few minutes there now. That's her second score. She's been very tough defensively. She's controlled the whole tempo of the game. It's going to be tough. Obviously, those 2 threes in a row, that was the crucial separations. There's your second three now. Just a little bit of space now. She's starting to knock him down.
So Buaicphointí got through. Strother.
And there's the response.
3-3. O'Shea. Kavanagh.
Good shot. She does have that range in her game, that's important. At many points in the game, you've highlighted yourself how quickly basketball can change. But Killester do have the responses right now.
Shot point to Ceannais Thornton. Kerr. 3-4. Pozadenta. Point on Boyton. And Sram Butcha Killester. Narrabin Masikana. Beat Dima Oran to Gord. Nilen Dima Oranyo. Kate Carew back on these fire. Tara Carew back on these fire. And Trio Carew go more Hud Kane. And the Garrow Carew. On here is the economy theory. And beat Dohan Denta. Killester. No question about it. Deserving winners. Job Denta gone. And go. 3. Put it there. Denta. So by Killester. Kellera and Gowers or Rosta knocked. And not clear. Traston it. He looked Lanta. August Mulla Focha because our Noi Queenie Wilchid. Mouta Canis Navarre. Chokers Thomas Bob.